In this video, I'll show you how to use your Garmin HRM Pro Plus heart rate monitor strap without your Garmin watch in range. So the first step is to wear your heart rate monitor. And then once you put it on you, go on your watch, start your activity the same way you'll do usually. Let's say I want to do cardio here. Okay, start your activity and you can leave your watch aside. And even if you're out of range of your watch, let's say you're going for a run, this tracker can store up to 18 hours of monitoring. When you're done doing your activity, let's say, as I said, you went outside, you run, you can come back, stop your activity while still wearing your strap, and then both of them will sync together. It may take many minutes, so just be patient, keep them in range, and then you can check on your app or whatever where you're checking, and your activity will be there with all your heart rate data and your steps. One thing to keep in mind is the strap itself, if the watch is not in range, will not record your distance because there's no GPS included inside of this heart rate monitor capable of tracking you this way. If you absolutely want to know your distance, then you can maybe put the watch itself, you can maybe remove these straps and put this unit in your pocket if you have some space to get this data. This is it. This is how you use your Garmin HRM Pro Plus heart rate monitor without the need to having your watch strapped on your wrist during your activity. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, also comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.